In this video, I am going to show you how to pay Axis Bank credit card bill using the mobile app. On your phone, open the Axis mobile app. Here is the Axis mobile app. Log into the app. Once you are logged in, the user interface will look like this. You can directly select your credit card at the top like this. If the credit card is not showing up for you, scroll down. Under quick links, you can find credit cards. Click on that. Once you click on credit cards, it will show you your credit card. Mine is Axis Atlas credit card. Scroll down. If the bill is generated, it will be shown under current bill. Here you can see that I need to pay the bill by 7th of November this month, and the due amount is 42,000 and the minimum due is 842. To pay the bill, click on pay now. For me, auto debit is enabled, so it is giving me this message, auto debit enabled. If you want to pay now, simply click on pay now. Now you will get 4 options: current bill due, minimum due, total outstanding amount including unbilled spends, and if you want to pay any other amount, you can simply enter that and click on continue. I am going to pay the current month bill, that is 42,098 rupees 40 paisa. It has selected my savings account automatically. Click on continue and click on confirm and pay. Now you need to enter the MPIN. Now you can see the message payment successful. Now click on OK. Now under current bill, you can see the green tick mark fully paid. Remaining due is 0. So that's it guys. In this way you can pay Axis Bank credit card bill using the mobile app. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.